Hello, my name is Nelly and welcome back to another video. Today we are covering the Atomic Wallet and how to integrate it into Koinly. So how to easily do your crypto taxes if you have the Atomic Wallet. The breakdown of this video is pretty straightforward. I'm going to talk a bit about the wallet itself and then how to integrate with Koinly. And then I'm going to show you how to get your necessary tax documentation. And lastly, we'll end it with a section where you can leave questions, comments, requests, just like you have made a request for this video. It's a highly requested video, so I'm covering it today. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it. So the Atomic Wallet was founded in 2017 and it is based out of Estonia. Unlike a lot of the wallets I've covered on this channel, it is a non-custodial, decentralized wallet, which means you own your own backup phrase and private keys, and therefore you're fully in control of your funds. So that means that Atomic has no access to your wallet or your sensitive information for that matter. Your 12-word backup and private keys are stored locally on your device, whether it's mobile or desktop, which I'll talk a bit about more later. They are strongly encrypted. So they also feature their own coin, which offers very high staking rewards, which I've seen actually as high as 23%. Currently, I think it's sitting at about 20. But yeah, just keep in mind with staking, of course, that is a taxable action in almost every country. So that's something I've made plenty of videos about. Actually, I'll leave a video if you're interested about staking taxes in the top right corner of this video. Okay, there it is, I got it. So if you're interested in learning more about staking taxes, there's a great resource for you. Okay, so like we always do, let's jump into Koinly. So log into your account, go to the wallet section, click on add wallet, type in Atomic, and there it is. We have two different options. I'll show you both. Let's start off with the setup auto sync. So for Ethereum and any ETH tokens, click on connect blockchain. I'll do that momentarily. Button below and find and select ETH on the following page. Enter your ETH public address, save. Wait a few minutes for Koinly to import all your Ethereum and ERC20 transactions. Okay, so clicking on connect blockchains, Ethereum. Here we're looking for the public address. So let's start off nice and easy with the desktop version. On the desktop, go to wallets, find Ethereum, and click the receive, and you will get your address here. Jumping into mobile, we will do pretty much the same thing. Turn on your app, go and find Ethereum. There it is, and then click receive, and you will have your Ethereum address there. Okay, so once you've copy and pasted that address here, you're gonna click import, and I've already done that. So on my thing, I actually already have Ethereum here with ETH and tokens with the transactions and the various currencies I'm dealing with. Okay, so going back into add wallet, we're gonna go to Atomic, click Atomic Wallet, click setup autosync. So now for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Dash, Litecoin, BSW, find the XPub, YPub, ZPub keys for each of your coins on Atomic Wallet. Click on Connect Blockchain button below. Create separate wallets for each of your coins. Enter the keys you found in step 1 and hit save, and wait a few minutes for Koinly to import your transaction. So connect blockchain, Bitcoin, and here where it gets a little bit not tricky, but you're gonna have a few more steps than you normally would. And the reason you're gonna have a few more steps is because it doesn't specifically tell you your Ethereum, it doesn't specifically tell you your XPub, YPub, and ZPub. It gives you another private key, which you will then use to create or to get, fetch your XPub, YPub, ZPub. So let's jump into the, desktop version first, because that's the easier one. We go into settings, we click on private keys. Here we enter the password and we get a set of private keys. Here at the bottom, let's say for Bitcoin, we have this private key. So what you're gonna actually do is, I've made a separate video on this in the past. I will leave a link in the top right corner and description right now, show you how to take this key and how to get your XPub, YPub, ZPub stuff from it. It's at the very bottom of this article. You'll need to go to this website. I don't want to do it in this video because I've already done it and that's kind of out of the scope of this video, but it's not that difficult. Just a few additional steps. And now jumping into mobile, it's pretty much the same thing there. You're going to go to your wallets in the top right corner, you're going to click the little cog. You're going to go to security, private keys, and backup, and type in your password. So once you've typed in your password, you're going to get to this page similar to the one on desktop. Just make sure that I'm recording. I am. You click on, let's say, Bitcoin, or actually, that was Binance, Bitcoin, show private key, and there it is. Same thing as before. Take this key and import it into our mnemonic. Oh boy, that's a tough word. Code converter, and it should be pretty straightforward from there. Mnemonic. Mnemonic, is the M silent? I'm not sure. But anyways, go back into Koinly, type in that value here, and that's pretty much it. And then just one final note, I guess we go back to the Atomic wallet, because there was one final little section there for other coins. We can read that together as well. So for all other coins, click on connect blockchain button below. Find your coin in the list. So similar to the what we did for Ethereum, enter the public address, save. If you can't find your coin, it means Koinly cannot auto sync transactions for it yet. So let us know through the live chat so we can add support. And at the very bottom, alternately, you can try downloading a CSV file with your transactions from Atomic Wallet and import them into Koinly. Okay, so let's do that. Import from file, download your transaction history, and upload it here. So I will mention right off the bat that this option actually does not exist for mobile, unfortunately. I wish it did. It would probably make things a little bit easier for anyone that has the app itself. However, I will show you where to get it here on your desktop version. So click on the coin you're dealing with, and you're gonna need to do this for each individual coin. So for Bitcoin, in the top right corner, cog, export transactions, and it's gonna be saved actually on a folder on your desktop. So I don't have any transactions on the desktop version of this, unfortunately, but that's okay for demo purposes. I think you get the point. You take that Excel file, drag and drop it here. It says Bitcoin Atomic Wallet 710, and then you're going to click import, and that's it. All right, so once you've imported all the things you need to import, your transactions, you go to the tax reports area, select the year you're working with, and then you'll get a nice summary of your transactions, your deposits, withdrawals, capital gains. Here's a great way to monitor and track your crypto progress throughout the year, kind of where your taxes are going to be. And at the very bottom, you're going to select a plan that best fits your needs based on the amount of transactions you have. And then lastly, you'll pick a tax document that is best suited for your country. And tax documents, we have plenty. So we have for the US, for the US, we have the IRS Schedule D Form 8949. You can also export on TurboTax online and desktop versions. For the UK, we have the HMRC Capital Gain Summary. We have reports for Norway, France, Switzerland, and then lastly for Australia, Canada, and Germany, we have the complete tax report. That's also a document you can give to your accountant, and you can combine that with other tax documentation to file your taxes. You can also invite them to the Koinly platform so they can set up their own accountancy firm, and we're working on content. I know I've said that before, but we're actually working on content. Hopefully we'll get it out in the near future, how to set up your firm and how to have clients on there and all that stuff. So that's going to be very useful for accountants looking to set up their platform on Koinly. And lastly, as I always mention, if depending on which country you're in, you might be able to get a tax deduction on this document or on this service, because it does help you with your taxes. So make sure to look into that depending on where you live. Lastly, as I always do, I'll leave you with some resources. This is the Koinly Help Center, and this is the article that I think is going to be best for your needs for this specific wallet, but there's plenty of different articles for various crypto topics. Then we have the Koinly forums where you can talk to members of our community as well as our staff. And then lastly, we have the section where you can send us a message or an email, and we'd be happy to get back to you. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you found it helpful in any way, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.